I ask you, that girl where you they follow?
Who
Now
she
2
be?
girls.
That girl.
Black.
The first girl.
The first girl, that one get lip, they get big lips. Like Jay-Z.
Flap your lips.
Flap.
I like him like that now. Now because now that's one of the things we make African woman their lips.
Okay, may I ask you now, what if you go choose woman?
Yes.
Who be your perfect kind of woman?
You know, see me, I sing black gold. You know, see, I'm African woman now.
No, which if you they choose woman, say okay, you want choose okay. What will be the I want to talk now?
Waiting be woman selling points for us.
What will be the woman selling? What will be that when you say you say okay, I like her, say me reduce. I like her skalama bush. Her front and back. You know, he guys they and she guys they speak well.
Defending and attacking.
Defending and attacking forward midfielder. He guys they okay. So what you go look? What will be that thing?
Okay, for me, if I give you that thing now, I go need you everywhere where I go because I'll get in trouble.
No problem, my brother.
Are you sure?
We are used to it.
Are you sure?
We are used to it.
I bet I leave this thing for now. I can tell you now.
We need to know.
My brother, we need to know.
Well, there, you know, is you.
When I say we no one open phone lines now.
Okay, may I tell you? Okay, may I say something? Me, I dey like every woman as long as they're black.
Yeah.
I dey tell you, backside big, backside no big. As long as they be black woman, now my woman be that.
My woman.
As long as she's a black woman, she's my woman.
So you go fit follow Mercy Johnson?
I want to go follow her. Then see, she get. I go follow him now.
She get waiting.
She get that thing now.
Where is it?
She got it. She got it.
She get kakaki.
No, we need to play. That's all. Like, she got
Oh, Mercy Johnson, she got it. Hey, Mercy Johnson in there, yeah. Radical say, you got it, kakaki. Not like this you do. So you know where in the top, not me. Anyway, now may I ask you this question? Tell us this video we'll just watch now. Tell us about the song. What's in the thing we make?
Okay, yes. Black gold. Okay, the time where they wear black gold. Now the time where I did a bit low for my life because now for United Kingdom, things happen like for my papa. Like I said, we be 14, but I may be the only one where I be the youngest anyway. And I be my papa's son. I the waka go everywhere with him. That's why I travel a lot. So something happened one time, so I can't give a lot up. That's one of the reasons I settled back for music. Because I know if you work as a counseling psychologist where they do before. Because I just gave them up because I know if they committed to NHS anymore. So I work with I take care of my papa for that for all those years. So you see, now that time, one day we are look at my papa in skin. I can see this guy now over 80 years old. He still look very young. I can see our skin black people, we did very rich. I can't think about all these nice girls. You remember now that time? All these nice girls where I don't see. I don't remember. Why you not go remember now?
You know they did that time.
You into Naradiku now. You just say, okay, we go talk later. You go tell you later. You just hide for now. So as I say now, so that time, like I can't see a lot because I always appreciate black women. Unfortunately, like a lot of us black people, mostly like we do the things where we do showbiz. We know they appreciate our, we know they promote our own.
Now yellow minions.
Now, and that's why I go see our people go bleach. They can't So like for me, I can't say our girls. So the time where they write the lyrics down, now my pa inspired the black gold. When I see my pa look say now because it did black, but I see a lot of other because as a counselor psychologist, we work with people who lose their memories, stuff, people will get problem with their mind. So I don't see a lot of them for even 40 years. Like 40 years, like their skin don't wrinkled and stuff like that. But my pa for over 80 still there. I can't say I go write song about about black people. So I can when I write the lyrics, I think about girls. I can't see
how
girls.
You know if it ever use yellow girl inside that song.
No, you know see why I go use yellow girls. Wait, you know see you to yourself. You be black gold now.
Why not go promote my own? Now brown coffee.
No, brown coffee. Now black gold still now.
Brown coffee.
Now, but no. In fact, make.
Ma ask you. I don't forget that question. Okay, now ma ask you. What do you study for school?
I studied counseling psychology.
Now, what do you do apart from music for United?
You say you say no can do them again.
Because now for that work you need to they committed.
Which kind of work? Now Yaba left today for that place.
Yaba waiting.
Left. Yaba. In other words, no. In other words, Yaba. The definition of Yaba left.
No, University of Greenwich now they are friend.
No, the place where they work.
The definition of Yaba left is a facility or a place where don't they go?
Where the craze?
Are they understand?
Where don't they go?
But for United Kingdom, we don't feel say that because everybody will go dignify.
Okay.
Unfortunately, we know say for Nigeria, if anybody lose their memory, they go stone them. They go say that person don't become a jet. They don't become this. But for United Kingdom, they try to understand why they become the thing where they become.
Okay.
Because when people lose their memory, they will say, I don't chop man before.
What
for
did
United
make you
Kingdom,
go study that thing?
no, because from childhood. That's one of the reasons they call me radical. From childhood, I see. Okay, for instance, when I see someone where they sick, like the mad people, when people they stone them when they're young.
You won't know
I always go close, go give them food. My papa could say, what did they do this boy? People they run away from this boy. But me, because I from childhood I realize man people they know they're mad. But get one guy will be saying, "Now great mathematician." That time we go sit down, I could come sit down with me. People say, "You won't make it bite you." That time we are doing young but this guy never bite me. This guy will talk to me normal. So from there I can say, all these people where they say they're sick for their mind, they know they got their moment. So now the reason why I go study.
Okay, so that you go talk to
I'm with counseling like you they help them, you know how to help them to manage them.
So you now on your own now, if you just craze now. Because you sabi
everybody get moment where they crazy. Everybody get them. But sometimes
you don't create your own today.
I don't quiz my own. You know, see, I was at the lab the other time.
Now, how many songs you don't get so far?
Okay, at the moment, I got an EP, which is on.
Which one be EP? Now, enemy of progress.
I don't know.
Short album.
Or is it who's producer?
Short album. Short album, which get 7 tracks inside the short album. I release them for United Kingdom. It's called Ajay. Ajay is one of my tracks where I released in 2011, and I shot the video for 2014. So I released that one, but like I said, since 2011, I never stopped to the release single. I don't release single will be mainstream. If people go, for for YouTube, you go see. If you Google, I go see. Means we call that my #1 in the house music.
Okay.
I released that one for 4 years ago, but I just try to promote them now. But at the moment we're on top of Black Gold.
Yeah.
Okay.
Promoting our black brothers, black sisters,
heritage.
And our
You know what
culture.
I mean, man? That's how we roll like Egg man. You know what I mean? From United Kingdom. Now, let me ask you one question. Two last questions. I'm going to ask you.
No,
now for collabos, how many people you don't follow work for? Because
for Nigeria and outside.
Outside Nigeria and outside.
Okay. Let me start by saying, at the moment, I do my media tour. From here, I go Ghana. From Ghana, I go East Africa, Uganda, Kenya, and Tanzania. I go to do more collabo, but for Nigeria, I don't do collabo with some people will be saying they don't even release them.
Okay.
But me, I get my money.
Your money.
I don't work with a lot of jazz. That time now, 2011, when we did the trouble, we no promote them. Now street stuff called my bewewe.
Okay.
It went like this. I told you I go speak Yoruba now. I speak my Yoruba, I go even apply grammar to it. I speak conk one. Though sometimes when I talk, I don't feel flow in Yoruba, but if it's a can write song for Yoruba, I go drum clearly. So a lot of jazz, K-show and some other ones. But at the moment, I look into as I did for Nigeria, I look into working with people. Anyone as long as their music motivate people, as long as it's motivational, like Two-Face, Sound Sultan is a good one, and some other one like that, I go work with them. So as I go East Africa, I get a lot of people I go work with.
Okay. You know if you follow Terry G is inspirational.
I like Terry G.
Inspirational.
I don't upload together.
But you know something? Now I just fear Terry G.
Run. Why you did?
Make the
You
guy
be
no go
counseling
break.
person, now you
know-
go counseling.
But
No,
you
you
know,
know,
Terry G no crazy
Don't
now.
worry, we know you are mad.
But everything is all right.
Everything is all right.
I'm right here.
Terry G, rub your ear. Goose fraba. Goose fraba.
But Terry G no crazy now. You know something about this country? I like my people because even people, if they're hungry, they go see they jump. White man go say, there's something wrong with our person. Nobody say something because we not get, we get natural sunlight for our body.
Now, a quick one. One last question before we go. Now, our last question for today. For those for what many things where you work on. Okay, say you work on now your tour you do.
I did my media
tour now you do now.
When it go start? When it go start?
No, it don't start now. I want to be now.
Okay, now be part of this.
This part of it.
Now, before you come up from inside studio, some people now when they watch us, so they say we'll not open our phone lines, more gonna follow us talk, more gonna know vex.
Next time.
Now, next time I beg. Those of them who want to follow you on top Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, put them your handle in case.
Okay, for Instagram and Twitter now at I am Radical 77, which is I am AIAM. Then Radical all in one word. RADICAL77 all in one word.
One word.
And on Twitter,
I am Radical 77.
Exactly, and on Facebook now Radical 77. You can see my artist page verified.
Okay.
That is me. Make you not go follow the one we don't dare verified because people
you see Radical 77 on Facebook. You can see one tick mark where they mark correct.
Blue mark, correct. Well, anyway, would they give double toilet to Radical 77? Say it come from United. What? Holla. You don't know nothing, man. Now, say it come for the show. Double toilet to you, Radical. Thank you
so much, bro. Thanks for having me, man.
You don't teach us how to speak English. We go watch one last video. So they come up for studio now. We go watch one last video. But before we come out, Katim, don't teach us English. So,
and you know, say difference day. You know when person goes school, can't go do music.
Yes, can't go do.
You see, say
so you know thing happen. IzyBeatz. You say, let me tell you something. If you never follow, go follow Radical for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you not follow him, you don't know nothing, man. You don't what? You don't know nothing, man.
By the time you follow him, you can know
something, man. Make sure say if one do the something and nothing.
Like say you get boiled under your armpit.
Nothing, something. And then if you never do him and you still no one do him, get out of here, man. In Igbo,
if you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.